In this video, I'll show you how to create a fast whip pan scene change in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition creates a fast sideways camera movement between your clips, making the scene change feel smooth, energetic, and dynamic. It works great for travel, videos, reels, vlogs, and fast-paced edits. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for whip. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now, select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Direction controls the direction of the whip pan. Change it to left, right, up or down, depending on your footage movement. You can also adjust chromatic aberration if you want a more stylized cinematic look. Increase it for more color separation. Decrease it for a cleaner look. Use a shorter duration for a quick snappy whip. Use a longer duration for a smoother sweeping pan. For best results, match the whip direction with the movement in your footage. And that's it. That's how you create a fast whip pan scene change in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.